there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we've got an aerial showdown between two sky-high contenders, the DJI Mini 2 SE drone and the DROCON drone. It's lightweight versus budget-friendly, high-tech versus beginner-friendly. So buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the money factor. On one hand, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE, which will set you back a cool $279. It's like buying a mini Ferrari for the sky. On the other hand, we have the DROCON drone, coming in at just $109. That's almost 3 DROCONs for the price of one DJI. So if your wallet is on a diet, DROCON might be your new best friend. Now, onto the eye in the sky. The cameras. DJI Mini 2 SE boasts some epic imaging with its easy-to-use shooting templates and professional-level videos. Amazon reviewers praise its high-quality pictures and videos, comparing it to having Spielberg in your pocket. Meanwhile, DROCON comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable FPV lens. Reviewers note that while it's perfect for capturing those "I swear it looked better in real-life" moments, the camera quality is not the best, but sufficient for basic use. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay up in the air. DJI Mini 2 SE offers a whopping 31 minutes of flight time, and if you grab the combo, you get a total of 93 minutes. That's almost enough time to watch a feature-length film while your drone flies. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its battery life. Meanwhile, DROCON gives you 24 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not bad, but you might want to keep it close, unless you enjoy playing Where's Waldo with your drone. Portability, because no one wants to lug around a flying brick. DJI Mini 2 SE is ultralight at less than 249 grams, perfect for those spontaneous hikes and road trips. Reviewers love its compact size and ease of transport. DROCON also weighs in at under 249 grams and even comes with a suitcase for extra protection. It's like the drone version of packing light, but with more style points. User experience, aka how likely are you to crash it into a tree on your first flight? The DJI Mini 2 SE is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and stability in flight. DROCON, on the other hand, has headless mode, one-key start land, and an emergency stop feature. Plus, it comes with a guard to protect those precious propellers. It's basically the training wheels of drones, as noted by reviewers. Let's get fancy with advanced features. DJI Mini 2 SE rocks a 10 km max transmission range and level 5 wind resistance. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones, able to fly far and fast even in wind. Reviewers highlight its impressive performance in windy conditions. DROCON offers some cool tricks too: gesture recognition, voice control, gravity sensing mode, and even a 360-degree flip. It's like having a circus act in your backpack. Reviewers find these features fun and engaging, especially for kids. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from customers. The DJI Mini 2 SE is praised for its high-quality build, impressive camera, and advanced features, making it a top choice for those looking for a premium drone experience. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and kids. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for high-end features and have a bit more cash to splash, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, Beginner's dream with a suitcase to boot, the DROCON drone is your new wingman. Either way, both of these drones are ready to take your adventures to new heights. Which drone would you take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying and buy smart. Product links are in the description.